Well, it ain't cheap being poor. I work hard for my pay, and they take it away like they don't care. I got a family to feed.
Hey guys, welcome to Frugal Friday. What is this, the 4th Frugal Friday? So we've been doing it for a whole month and I'm still not anywhere near slowing down. So anyway, today I've got 5 frugal brands that are worth checking out. The first one, this one brand doesn't get talked about a lot. I personally have tried a few of their products. They're hit or miss. Some of their products are really nice. Some of them have fragrance, but I've got a couple favorites. And that is from the Your Good Skin line, which is carried at Walgreens. Their lip balm, their soothing lip balm, really nice. Actually, I've been keeping this on my bedstand so you can see there's literally probably 2 uses left. And that says something for lip balm because I have a lot of them. I'm not going to say hundreds, but it's kind of disgusting. So anyway, the fact that I've almost finished this one says a lot. Their Cica sleep paste is really wonderful. I've used this one off and on, and actually I think my friend took my last tube and picked it up. So this lip balm is $4.50, and the sleep paste is $15. Really wonderful. Just check out the ingredient list. Some of their cleansers are wonderful, but a few of their other products do have fragrance, so check them out. But these 2 are wonderful. I can say that because I'll be finishing up that lip balm tonight. My friend probably has finished up their Cica sleep paste and will probably steal my next thing that I have. As long as I bring it with and leave it out for viewing, then it gets kind of accidentally borrowed. Okay, next up, My Touch or Touch skincare line. They are a very affordable brand, and they've got it sell it on their website. They don't really sell it anywhere else, so I've got links to them. I applied for their affiliate program like a year ago, but never heard anything back, so they're not affiliate links, but whatever. I gotta talk about them. So their Bright and Clear Cream is wonderful. Azelaic acid is in here, niacinamide, kojic acid, a lot of good brightening ingredients, aloe, things like that in here. So it's really wonderful. The tube is pretty big. It's 2 ounces. It doesn't look as large, sitting next to their benzoyl peroxide treatment, which is 8 ounces. So if you use any benzoyl peroxide, this stuff will probably last you like your entire lifetime, but it'll probably expire before then. So fragrance-free. And then their Glycolic toner is also wonderful. I think it's 7% glycolic acid. Does have a little bit of witch hazel in here, but also contains aloe. So they also have a sunscreen, which is wonderful. And so their Bright and Clear Cream is $22. Their Glycolic acid toner is $16. And the benzoyl peroxide, I believe, is $16. So pretty darn affordable. Largest bottle. Maybe if you share with a family, you can finish it before you die, because it is gigantic. Usually, if I ever use this, usually just for a spot treatment. So I will never finish that, sadly. Okay, next up, affordable brand. They are, again, very hit or miss. They are rushing to release new products like every day or every week. But typically, I've read an article where their products take about 30 days from conception to launch. So that is the Inkey List. So a lot of their newer products I'm not a fan of. Their hair care line, I hated everything from it. Don't recommend trying any of it. But they still have some great products, and you know what, most of their goodies are from their initial launch. That is their PHA toner, very gentle, so if you have very sensitive skin or can't handle very tough exfoliating products, this one's really wonderful, gentle, $11. And their Q10 Serum also seems to be a good hit. I like it. It's a good antioxidant serum, minimal ingredient list, and retails for $7. So, and the products are generally packaged very travel friendly, which is a bonus. Okay, next up, we didn't get to this brand yet, but today we will, and they're talked about a lot, and they're also coming out with a lot of new products, and that is CeraVe. I've got a couple favorites, although their new toner that they came out with recently, I'm really enjoying. Their hydrating, alcohol-free toner for dry and sensitive skin. It's really nice and really affordable as well. So for their cleansers, this one is still my favorite. Their foaming cleanser for dry or oily skin. Normal or oily skin. I don't know. I have very dry skin, but I still love this one. It gives a nice lather. Cleanses well. Pretty much a good one-step cleanser. Removes sunscreen, things like that. Retails for $15, and the bottle's pretty large. And then they have a couple of retinols. Their Resurfacing Retinol Serum is the one I like because it has some nice exfoliant properties as well as retinol, and still pretty friendly for most skin types. Retails for $20. And fragrance free. So CeraVe has some great products. These 2 are 2 of my favorites, although their new toner, I'm really enjoying. So Their PM Moisturizing Lotion is a good deal as well. So those are just two of my favorites. And then last but not least, I know I've been talking about these products a lot, probably at least weekly, and I just love them so much I don't see that changing anytime soon. And that is the Pacifica Vegan Ceramide line. Really enjoy this line. So they have a cleanser, face moisturizer, serum, lotion, oil, and an eye cream. And the cleanser and the eye cream are kind of average, but these two are clearly two of my favorites. The Ceramide cream is wonderful texture, works great for dry and oily skin. It sets to kind of a slightly matte finish. It retails for $16, and then the serum is also $16. And really wonderful, really good alternative products to other things that have ceramides in there. And for Pacifica, it's huge because it's fragrance-free, and a lot of their products just aren't very sensitive skin friendly. But now finally they have an entire line of sensitive skin friendly products. So these are my favorites for this week. Last week I think I did sunscreens. Next week I think I'm going to do one-off products. So be sure to check that out. Brands where they have like one really good affordable product. One-offs or whatever. What's that? Like just like a one-off, right? Okay. Anyway, interested to hear from you guys. If you have any Frugal brands worth checking out, leave a comment. I may or may not already have them on a list. We'll see. So anyway, thank you guys so much, and I will see you next week with next Frugal Friday or just tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.